Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you how to pause your Klavio account. So when you are not using Klavio for email marketing, you can just pause your subscription or cancel it, so you save your money and time as well. So now let's go to klavio.com, and there let's go to our account and let's go on the bottom left, my profile and account and billing. So now when you are here, you can, as I have a free plan, so I cannot cancel or pause my plan. So you'll just get something like this if you have a plan. So I have attached image. So now you can just cancel your plan from here, and then or also you can also pause your account. So this is it. This is how you pause your Klavio account. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you again in another video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.